Okay, so close your eyes. So what I'm gonna do, my friend here believe that she has limited belief and so on. So what I'm gonna do is project life energy. I'm projecting life energy, and you see how the body is reacting because it's not controlling. This is really good. When you are controlling, you're not trusting life. You're not trusting the energy. You're not trusting even yourself or not me. Don't trust me if you like, but just allow yourself to experience. Okay, this is the first step is playing energy. You don't need to write down anything. I just want you to experience this with me. So I'm just projecting here. Don't try to repress that emotion. You see how much repressed emotion we are holding all the time? Okay? This is pain, emotional pain crystallized. And when you crystallize it, it has even an own way of thinking and talking. Sometimes when you hear voices in your head, it's your crystallized pain talking to you. And it calls you by your name. Have you had that experience? A little voice talks to you. But in Spain, people, they listen to voices in the head. No, in Holland, you are very high level. Okay, so see how the pattern is changing, right? You there? And now I'm gonna raise the vibration. She's vibrating in fear. Now we're gonna make her vibrate in love. And see how she is responding, the body, even the head. I don't know if you feel the subtle. Can you feel it? When we do that, when we are in nature, when we die. But I recommend you not to go there in order to experience this. Like, you don't need to die. He's resting in peace, but you don't have to die in order to rest in peace. Just rest in peace where? In your heart. Boom. See? Now, this is completely open and full of energy, full of life energy. But here we have a lot of blockages also. So I'm going here. Sometimes I like to do little noises just to have fun. Don't do that out loud in your first session. Because no first session with family members, and then he got crazy finally. You see, the joy that it was behind the suffering is coming out. I agree with that, yes. Yes. Okay. From here, I'm going to continue from here. Connected with love, which is life, is freedom. Okay, and we already open here, and then the emotional area, another one, which is the belly. More pain that it was repressed is coming out to the surface, even from childhood, guys. You know. A lot of suffering for the childhood is being released. Okay. and more joy is coming to the surface. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference now? Okay. See this a few minutes. You know what is going to be beautiful? I don't even know because I cannot see the future yet. Just give me some time. But right now I cannot see the future. I just see the present. But when she opens her eyes, you will see such an amount of life. You know, when I look at people in the people's eyes, I see how alive you are. Okay? I don't want to give any news here. Okay? But when she opens her eyes, you will see how bright they are. That's called sparkling, which means life looking through your eyes, not the fear looking through your eyes. Can you open your eyes for a moment? Can you see even how relaxed is the face? You know? Because those limiting beliefs, they're not there. She's just feeling the present moment. Her mind right now, even before he talks, I'm sure is a lot of space. She's just present. She's just here. Like sensation of floating, like the angels. That's why they put wings on the angels, because they're like flying. That's the sensation that when you are feeling your heart is. It's like you're flying actually. It's like, wow, very light. All right. What do you notice different, my dear? If there you notice different.
I'm tingling all over. Shaking also a little bit wobbly still. And yeah, I just feel
yeah.
Don't mind. Gratitude.
Gratitude. Yeah. Gratitude is one of the traits of your inner being. You know, when you're connected here, you start to feel love. No, like, I have to feel love. You see how effort, I have to. No, hey, the traits, I feel gratitude, natural gratitude, appreciation, natural love, natural connection, natural presence, natural freedom. I'm me. When you look at people, just look at them. What do you notice different when you look at people? What is different? And guys,
I feel very much connection.
Yeah.
I hope you can feel that too.
They will. And they're feeling it. They're feeling, because again, guys, I'm sure 100% that everybody of you, if you allow yourself to feel, if you are a robot, maybe you're gonna have some time. You feel something open up, because it's open up. You see. So the whole world just needs you to open up, and when you look at the world, wow, everything's open up. There is less fear now, because I don't have fear. I'm not carrying fear. I'm not carrying psychological, crystallized pain, emotional pain with me, because when I project life energy, it goes, start to dissolve it, and then you put it out, you unblock it, you place that energy now with fresh energy, then you rise the vibration. This is just level 1, which brings a lot of wonders. Right? The only thing I'm sharing with you guys, the attitude, the spirit you have to have, like fun, joy when you're doing the practice, not like a guru having a neck like a chicken, like I'm projecting energy. No, it's really like loose, joyful. I know at the beginning I've been there a little bit stifled, because you're learning when you're going and drive for the first time. Oh my God, there's so many things. So until you just go with the flow, right? Yeah, have you been there? I think. Okay. Anything you want to share with the guys?
Thank you for being with me here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Can I give you now a real hug? Because before it was like, oh my God, that's difficult. Can you see how soft it is now? we're breathing together. That is natural. There's no effort. There's no, oh. You know, when I see somebody, don't leave just yet. When I see somebody who want to give me a hug, and they say, no, it has to be on the left because the heart is on the left, and then we are for a while like. And I say, hey, you know, I'm not talking about the heart as an organ, right? Leave alone the poor organ, because it has a lot to deal with.